What is up, everyone? We got a Halloween shoot today in the boxing ring. Look at that. Come on. We got Chloe here. What's the outfit?
Christina Aguilera Dirty. It's basically all leather and a bikini.
In the boxing ring with professional fighters, all you see what I'm saying, behind us. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, something different for you guys today. As it's quite dark in here, don't know how this is gonna hold up. The 2.8, don't know if it's gonna hold up, but I'm shooting log as well, C log, not 7.3. Histogram is showing quite low, but I have f2 135 and young UO f2 35. I got a 51.4 as well, but I don't like that lens. But yeah, I'll have to do a few versions of different ISOs, see how it comes out. This is the outfit, show them the outfit. I have a picture of Christina Aguilera on the screen as well to match it up with.
This is the Sheen version.
This is actually the £5 version.
Ish, the top was expensive, but the rest was cheap.
In the boxing gym, they're obviously going to move out of the way, but yeah. Boom. We're in the ring. Jeez, come on.
It's actually quite sick.
What op are you fighting in the ring next? Them businesses that don't pay on time.
Them businesses that don't pay you on time. We could get some people to stop dancing around
I might get my other lens too. 2, 1.
Yeah, you might want to look at these shots after you got it to me, Okay. Steve, how do you know I was looking? You have to be looking. You have to go. Let me tell you what. She's to that.
We're going to zoom in on you.
Now I have compiled a few clips. Well, I will be doing a few pictures in between, but I mainly shot video for this shoot, and I was shooting C-Log. I do keep the histogram on because I like to keep the histogram somewhat in the middle. I find helps for me. This was really dark situation set up here though. It looks bright, but on camera it's shooting f2.8 lens, it really wasn't. So I did use the preview that allows you to see what it would look like if you graded it. I know some people don't like to use the preview for whatever reason, but I find that it just helps for me. It doesn't affect the output of my color grading or my edits, so I do like to use the preview when I shoot with C-Log. And of course the whole shoot was handheld. Don't own a gimbal. I don't plan on getting one. I do quite have steady hands when I'm not in a rush, or there's not a million-mile-an-hour winds on a beach, but I don't like to really use too much gear. Here I am using the very inexpensive young Nuo 35mm f2. I've had this lens for a very long time. I'm surprised it still works. I had this lens from when I had the RP, so yeah, it's been a workhorse, and I haven't used it much at all on my R6. So I thought, let me whip it out, and it's surprisingly works well with the R6. More like like your back against the wall, and then like looking at yourself. 3, 2, 1. And I absolutely loved filming this part. You can't really see from the Insta360 Go because it kind of lights everywhere, but on camera that spotlight was literally just about lighting Chloe there, and everything else was dark around it, and it was a very moody shot. And with me getting into my more cinematic bag and shooting more cinematics, this was completely out of my comfort zone. I'm usually in bright areas. This is a very dark gym, as you can see in the start of the video, so this was very challenging and I had no idea how this was going to come out. As I said, it's way out of my comfort zone, very dark, and yeah, it was just something I'm just not used to doing, so I had no idea how this was going to come out. You can go see the Instagram version on my Instagram right now, but I'm gonna let you guys be the judge of how you think this one did, because I did do obviously a landscape version for you guys on YouTube. So leave in the comments below how you think this went. Roll the tape.
Got me obsessed, got me obsessed, got me obsessed. Got me obsessed, got me obsessed. Yeah. You getting better with the times. Looking on your herbs, tasting like some fine wine. Ex broke your heart, you can hear that through her mind. Nick be calling, but you never mind, cause you all mine. Pull up to my house late night, hit the brake lights and the shade right. I know what's up on your mind. Pour a couple shots, put the Henny in my cup, and a couple moments later we'll be bending up a twine. Something that's divine, had to give it time, but I'm patient. I just wanna see on your spaceship. Plus you done the earth and you never on some facial. Didn't have the bill, I the women didn't patient. Basic, we should take a time, we should pace it. And you one to one, God ain't no copy patient. Felt too many times, this is different, we can make it. Love dripping good off of you, let me taste it. Got me obsessed, got me obsessed, got me obsessed.